Hey guys, so first we're going to be looking at how to do a playlist on YouTube. So in this video, let's see if I can do it from here. I've watched it before, you can tell by a little red line. And here you can click add to playlist. And so what you can do is create new playlist. And you can name it Real Estate Education. I'm going to set that to private. And you create it. Okay, and it's that simple. All the videos you watch, you can just add all of them to your real estate education. And you're not just hoarding a bunch of videos in a playlist. What you're doing is you're building up that playlist with all the videos that you like, and you can go back to them and you can take notes from them and actually study them, and it'll help you learn a new skill. Like with lease options, I'm interested in them, but I just know like the wholesale way of investing. And so I do know like the basics of lease options, but I have not closed one of those types of deals yet. So if I was going to get more education in it, I would be clicking on videos like these and creating a new playlist for that. And that's on YouTube. And on Facebook, let's just go to, you can go to Hamza. If you don't know who Hamza is, he's a real estate investor and agent. And so, should we go to his? Let's go to the Facebook group. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just type it in. And in this group in particular, I do have my own group, but I don't want to use that for the video. You know, you guys already see my group a lot of times. But in groups like these, a lot of people post a lot of different things that help people. He has his own webinars that he hosts, and he provides courses and boot camps. I watched this video a little bit earlier, how to book 10 appointments per week, and videos like these. So I guess I can use this as an example. I do want to get one that has words in it as well, but I'll get to that later. So you can click Save Video. So I've saved the video, and let me go to one that has typing. Okay, well, I don't see many posts that have a lot of like words so you can actually study, but I'll just use this one as an example. But this is a really good point. You do not want to post your deals on Facebook. Like, you really don't. A lot of people do it, and sometimes it works, like, you know, but don't post like the actual address. If you do use Facebook as a marketing tool to get buyers, you really want to be as vague as possible. Probably like the picture and a few details of it, like the beds and baths and the ARV and the asking price and things like that. But you really don't want all of your information going out there, because a lot of people will just take your deal and make it a daisy chain, and you don't want that. But what we're going to do with this post is save it as well. And so we're going to go to our saves. And you're going to click on New Collection. Okay. You're going to name that collection Real Estate Education. And so that post, oh, what just happened? Okay, whoops. Okay, so you click Add to Collection, Real Estate Education. This next one, Add to Collection, Real Estate Education. So then you go to your collections, it's all right here, and you can go back, like this is a video, you can go back and watch that video. You can mark certain time points and take notes. You can, in this group as well, you can post and ask questions. You can ask Hamza questions himself. Like I said, he hosts his boot camps and stuff. Pretty reasonable prices. Like a lot of courses and things are going for like $10,000. I'm not kidding. Like literally $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. And I think his boot camp right now is like around 500 or something like that. So he gives like really quality information for really not expensive prices. But you know, you're watching this video right now and you haven't made it to the point where you can spend $500 on a boot camp or a course yet. So you're gonna keep doing things like this to get your free education until you can buy the courses, because the point of free education is not to not at all buy any courses. The point of free education is to build up enough money to where you can buy your courses. Like Hamza talks about that all the time. The reason his is so inexpensive is because he eventually wants you to actually buy like more expensive courses to get even more education, which is, it's good to buy one course, but you want to have as much education as possible. Like the American system is made it seem like once you get your degree, then that's all the education you need. No, everybody is continuously learning all the time. That's why the richest people in the world are constantly reading books, are constantly listening to podcasts, are constantly going to seminars. You're constantly learning throughout your whole life. But yeah, that is how you utilize Facebook and YouTube specifically. But you can do things like bigger pockets. It is a little bit different because you have to go to the page and like save certain links. And I guess how you could do that is like save a link in Google Docs. I actually have a Google document up right now, and you can just save the links, and whenever you want to go back to them, then you can just click on them and take notes from whatever articles that you're learning from. So it's a lot of different ways to gain free education, especially in real estate investing with everybody, you know, people like me, people like Hamza. If you follow me on Facebook, then you know Melvin, he helps Hamza out a lot. And you just need really great teachers and mentors. And if you can't afford to pay a mentor, you pay attention to people like these and you just model whatever they're teaching, because they've closed deals. I think Melvin's on his 105th deal this year in 2018, and it is right here. You can see it September 2nd. So I think it's like 105th, something like that, that he posted about the other day. So yeah, that's pretty much what you do. You want to keep things as organized as possible, because the worst thing is to just watch a whole bunch of videos and just watch a whole bunch of things and then not know where to find them again and not take notes. Like it helps to be organized when you are learning, because you have some sort of structure. But yeah, that is how you utilize those tools to make the best of your free education.